Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change a visualization summary operation. This is a text table visualization created in the previous video. To begin, I'm going to move the row headers around. I'm going to drag that here so that it changes the order of the visualization. When you visualize data in Tableau, most of the time you want to find the sum of a particular data that you have collected. For example, the sum of commissions due to salespeople or the sum of all the sales you have made. There may also be times when you don't want to perform a sum. You may want a different type of analysis. For example, you may want to find out the average value of a particular sale. In this visualization, I have a text table and I have the sales broken down by the products and by the sales region. If I click on the right here, if I click on the drop down, we can see the different menu options under the sum order. If I click where it says measures, you see different operations. For example, if I want to change the operation from sum to average, I'll click on the average here and you can see that the data has changed to reflect the average. If you decide you don't want to use the average, you want to use other types of summary operations, you can come back to the measures and say, for example, select median if you want median, and you can see the data has changed to reflect that. I'm going to go back to the measures and then go back to average, and you can see the data changes to reflect the type of analysis you're trying to perform. By changing the summary operation to average, you can see that the average sale for the assorted olive bar soap 6-pack in the Central East region is $64. And if we look here in the North Central East, it is $90. In the Northeast, it is $19. In the South Central East, it is $92, and so on. The sum operation is the most widely used to summarize data, but it's good to know that you have other operation options if you wish to use them.